How to enable auto restart feature on Android phone. Hi everyone, welcome back to the channel. In today's video, I'll show you guys a quick and easy way to enable auto restart feature on your Android phone. Let's just jump right in. First thing first, you need to go over to the settings menu and open it up. Once you open up settings, scroll down here until you find the option for device care. If you have a different Android phone, it might be a bit different, but basically I have to find something related to your device. And under performance, you can find auto optimization. Tap on it, and then from here, you can simply go ahead and tap on auto restart. So what happens is if you tap on it and turn it on, so you can turn on the restart when needed option. Your phone will restart automatically when the performance issues are detected. Tap on it and toggle it on. And after your phone restarts, you need to unlock your phone before you can receive notifications and alarms from some apps and see the names of incoming callers. You can also tap on this option to restart on schedule. So you can schedule a restart regularly if you don't want it, and if you just want the phone to do it automatically when needed, just keep the first option on. And that's it. If you found the tutorial helpful, hit the like button down below and subscribe. I'll catch you guys in the next one. Thanks for watching.